Hello everyone and welcome to my Alfa Romeo 156 project car vlog. If you're new on this channel, you should know that I bought this car last year and since then I've been fixing it. I bought it as a daily driver. To this day, I've invested a ton of money into it and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna invest some more. Thing is, you realize that only after you drive it. It works like a charm. I bought it in a pretty bad condition, but now it's okay. A lot of people say to me that I made a mistake investing in an old Alfa, that I could have bought a German or a Scandinavian car. But I have another newer executive German sedan, and that's the thing, it's a diesel automatic, unlike this Alfa. Well, I'm investing only in mechanical and safety related issues on this car, and someday it will become a classic. I mean, come on, who doesn't like Italian design? Now, just listen to this. Wait for it, wait for it. And that's freaking annoying! I could make a dubstep song with this sound. Yeah, you get the point. Because I'm using it as a daily driver, I gotta fix this because it's getting on my nerves. And my neighbors aren't so happy when I open that door every morning when I go to work. Thing is, I bought it this way, but other important stuff had to be fixed. And I finally found some time to change this. I bought the door stopper from a salvage yard and cleaned it. Now I gotta remove the door panel. And gotta grease the mechanism. And there it is! My door isn't making weird dubstep songs anymore. I can't tell you how happy I am. Thanks for watching and see you guys soon. Take care everyone. Have a nice day. Bye bye.